Nature is talking. Hush, little one, be still. Nature is talking. Can you hear? On the wind, rustling tree leaves are saying, "Good morning. How are you? Did you sleep well last night?" Birds take flight to shake off the night, chirping back and forth, looking for breakfast below. Crickets finish their concert, yawn and stretch, then head off to bed, for the day is not their realm. Flowers face the rising sun. They giggle softly when the breeze comes by. It tickles when it bobs their heads. Bashful butterflies float freely overhead of brightly colored blooms, silently seeking sips of sweet nectar, slowly settling down on choicest heads. Hush, little one, be still. Nature is talking. Can you hear?